How should I start? Okay, so I got my skincare parcel. I ordered some things from Aroma Magic, and I ordered many things from Aroma Magic. Not actually, I ordered a whole skincare routine from Aroma Magic, the basic simple skincare routine. Thought to start my skincare diaries once again. So I started, and I got them in really cheap prices from purple. So I'm going to unbox this today, and we will start our skincare diaries from today. Okay, just a moment. This is going to be a really short and simple video of me unboxing this. I really wanted to unbox this in front of you all. I don't know how many people watching. Okay, let's unbox this. I'm going to start my skincare diaries once again. Okay. I'm in my bed right now, so I don't have any other place to put my phone in so that I can record. Okay, let's start. See this one. It's going to be a very short and simple unboxing, I guess. Yes, not much more than that. I'll show you what products I got, and we will also use them and do a skincare routine. Okay, next time. Just a moment. I don't know if you can hear me, or you can hear my background noises. Okay, I really don't know if you can hear me, but I'm saying something. I don't know why I bought a knife, a whole knife. This is the bubble wrap. This is bubble wrap. Okay. First, we have this from Aroma Magic Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion, SPF 30, all natural mineral line. It's 50 milliliter. Okay, and the price I got was around, I don't remember the price. Yeah, it's written here 180. I got it in much less in purple, actually, not 180, I guess. This is the sunscreen. Next I have this one. This is from the Aroma Magic Lavender face wash. Well, this looks heavy. This was also not very costly. It looks good though. Lavender face wash. Yeah, this is the lavender face wash. I'm so sorry. This is the lavender face wash. Next, I have one more thing, and then we have nothing in the box. Okay, this is the Blossom Aroma Magic Mineral Glow Scrub. Why do it? Okay, so that's fine. Okay, this is the scrub, and last thing, the Aroma Magic Juniper Berry Oil Free Moisturizer. This was all. It's looking good though. We will use it, and we'll see. I have never used this moisturizer. We will use this scrub also. It's very cheap in purple actually, and I have got them in good conditions. It says reduces fine lines, remineralizes and brightens. Alright, we will use this. I have nothing else. We are going to use this also. Aroma Magic Lavender Face Wash. So I actually bought a whole skincare routine now. Face wash, then scrub, then moisturizer, and then sunscreen. Ding, ding. We are going to use this. Okay guys, this is it for today. I'm going to do a skincare diary type of thing. If you're interested, you can subscribe and watch next. Okay, thank you so much guys. See you tomorrow. No, not tomorrow actually. See you in my next video.